kum ke jing pen sa nam ya ke jing internat ke Shillong Golf Course kalau pen long ya ke India Post haka khat nyau tarik ukalan kot 8,000% ban pelaj Paidbah ya ke stam balat tip kum ke first permanent pictorial cancellation jong ka than chatai lammi ngi kari India. Hakani ke sngi lai don lang dau Sanjeev Ranjan, Chief Postmaster General North East Circle Kumukongsan, uba Hector Marwen, Director ke Shillong Golf Course, uba Spencer Meliam, Joint Commissioner ke Tanat Customs Shillong, ke Anjali Verma, Meghalaya Postal Division Head, nalor kiwai de. Sanjeev Ranjan haba ajin kran ulong baka permanent pictorial cancellation kadika dak ke jing pensisha ya ka pateng jong ke jela Meghalaya ha ka bala kenthop ya ka dur jong ke Shillong Golf Course ka bakdo ya ka jing internat ka Mariang bat ki khana pateng ha ka perthai welcome you today.
Of the individual, but also in the life of the society. Amidst the sylvan surroundings of Shillong, I, on behalf of Government of India, Department of Post, present this pictorial cancellation to this golf course. This pictorial cancellation image will be preserved in all museums across the country as well as across the globe. This pictorial cancellation image is exhibited in international exhibitions, competitions. Therefore, the importance of this golf course, Shillong, will go a long way. Once again, I feel privileged to be part of this celebration, and I dedicate this pictorial cancellation to the state of Meghalaya in particular and in general to the people of Meghalaya state. Thank you.
Haba Grand Pat Shakilat Pathai Kubor ke Anjali Verma kalay thu baka permanent pictorial kadai ban ai jing pen ithu Paidbah ya ke jela lingba ke dor jong ke stam haba ki pha sithi shakinu ki jaka.
For lay persons, cancellation means the act of stamping or the act of putting impression upon the stamps. That is called cancellation in postal dictionary. So this is the first time that a permanent pictorial cancellation is being released in any part of the Northeast. So this is the first time in Northeast region this is being released. So this holds a lot of significance. For instance, these permanent pictorial cancellations generally are about places, things, events, or persons sometimes living or non-living. So it can be about anything of import. So the process is either the person or institution themselves propose it, or if our department finds it of significance, then we propose it to our organization in Delhi, and further then after getting approval from the requisite departmental process, this is released. So the entire point of it is giving huge publicity to the person or the thing concerned. For instance, now that we are releasing our first permanent pictorial cancellation on Shillong Golf Course. So whenever we will be sending letters or mails or any postal article for that matter, postcards, inland letters, so we'll paste a stamp that you already know. On it we will cancel the act of putting the impression. So the thing that will be impressed is this cancellation. So it will be a logo saying Shillong Golf Course. So now let us say I have a friend in Lucknow who I write a letter, or I am sending any work related mail. So it goes to them, now they get to see this, and now they know that this is something big in and around this place. Not yet, sir. This is the first time any permanent pictorial cancellation is being released. So it's a big event for us. Yes, sure. So we have almost finalized another one, and we are also proposing special covers on Dauki as well as on Living Root Bridge, because I'm quite surprised we haven't yet celebrated these things of such grand importance to the state of Meghalaya. There are actually two important points about permanent pictorial cancellation. The first one is that it gives wide publicity of the person or the event concerned. So suppose if somebody is sending a departmental letter, or if it's your business, or you're writing a letter to a friend, there is a stamp on the letter. And when this impression is put there, suppose I am writing a letter to my friend in Lucknow, they will get to know that there is a Shillong Golf Course here. And if it is a stamp made by cancellation approved by Government of India, then obviously of some significance to the people and the population. The next is it serves as a permanent memory to the Government of India. So now this stamp will be here forever. So this will always be available in some or the other form, either maybe in the philatelic bureaus where you get the postcards, postal articles, or maybe with some collectors. And we have released the cancellation, so it will be a part of record of Government of India.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.